Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
Fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Actually, I'm working as a sales coordinator here in Dubai, and as a purchaser at the same time.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
My main responsibility is to deal with the customer and at the same time with the purchaser.
Okay. And how long did you work
I've
with
been
them?
working here for around 9 years.
Okay. And why you decided not to continue your contract?
No, actually, our company closed recently, so I decided to look for another job.
O- Okay. And how much salary are you looking for?
I'm looking for around 2,000 above.
Why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve this amount?
Yeah, because even I don't have any experience in a housemaid job here in Dubai, but I can assure since I am a domesticated, I'm a housewife and I know how to take care of kids
Okay. And
through experience.
what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
I can both cleaning and babysitting.
Okay. What type of food can you cook?
Hmm?
What type of food can you cook?
I can cook. Right now, I can cook only Filipino dishes, but I'll be willing to learn other dishes, other
Ha,
nationalities dishes. Yeah.
what experience do you have in cleaning?
I know how to clean the house,
Okay. And how you can clean the bathroom?
but from scrub it. Then put some like for cleaning. I'm using a Dettol to
Okay.
make sure it is clean and smell good.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Yeah, you can check from the way if the baby is sad and you can sense that if she's sick
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
and to inform the parents.
Do you consider yourself lucky and why?
I can consider myself lucky because one thing, I'm a God-fearing person. I know God is with me all the time.
What are your hobbies?
Me, actually, I'm not the outgoing type. I'm the indoor type. Just listening to music. That's all.
And what is your favorite song?
My favorite song, what is that? Straight from the Heart
Oh,
of Brian Adams and this Dance with My Father.
how many years you want to work here in UAE for?
I still want to work here up to 6 years.
Do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid or nanny to your new employer and why?
Yes, of course. I can assure them that I am trustworthy, God-fearing, and I will do everything to fulfill all my duties.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.